हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब ब्लॉग। सो आज हम आए हैं बेंगलोर में कबन पार्क में। सो ऑन एवरी सैटरडे एट 10 AM to 1 PM देयर इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ आर्टिस्ट जो यहाँ पे आते हैं, दैट इज़ नेम्ड कबन पेंट्स। सो यहाँ पे हर सैटरडे को आर्टिस्ट लोग आते हैं और पेंटिंग करते हैं, अपना अपना काम करते हैं, एंड देयर इज़ अ रिचुअल एट द एंड। सब लोग इकट्ठा होकर पिक्चर क्लिक कराते हैं। सो देयर आर 2 ग्रुप्स हेयर। फर्स्ट इज कबन पेंट्स एंड सेकंड इज कबन रीडिंग। सो यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे रीडर्स मिलेंगे। सो यू कैन कम हेयर एंड डू योर रीडिंग। nobody will disturb you, and you can paint here as well. So if you are an artist and you want to join this community, you can come on every Saturday. You can enjoy the vibe and you can make new friends here. Yeah, so let's start the interview. So I'll start the interview from the person who started this Khaban paint in 2022, Ambrish. So let's go.
Hey, I'm Ambrish. I started this community called Khaban Paints, and it was a very simple why not thought for me back in 2022, I think, in May. So a little background, how it all came together. I was recovering from my first brain hemorrhage surgery back in October 2022. So I was in complete bed rest for 6 months, and then I think once I felt like enough is enough, I need to restart my life. I need to get out of my room, and do something right, something with the world. There was a huge disassociation with the world for me, being in isolation for 6 months after my surgery. So I came here, I started painting. I didn't know what I was doing, but I just kept coming back every Saturday. So I think the more I did it, from March 2023, a lot of people started noticing me that I'm painting here and I'm doing something. They wanted to know if they can join me. So I think it was end of May 2023, I had this thought like, why not? So I just started the Instagram page. I didn't know where it's going to take and whatever. But
And now it has.
it's turned out in a way where I never imagined, how it's going to be, right? It's much more, I would say, very humbling for me to see the community grow. We are almost close to 15,000 right now, and everyone is organic. Everyone is an organic artist who has come to the community. So I'm very grateful. It's changed my life as well a lot, in ways I never thought. And I think life has opened up a lot more opportunities for me and the artists who come here regularly. We just did our second exhibition successfully, and for the first time in life, I think 100+ artists exhibited on a gallery wall, and a lot of people sold their artworks for the first time because of all of this. So yeah, thank you.
Okay, talk about art and why you like art, why you like drawing. Show your work. Come on. Arey, don't be shy. Don't be shy. Tell me why you like art.
Why do you like to paint?
In which school you
Oh, okay. Which school do you study?
and class?
Which class
Batao,
are you
chalo.
in?
Show me your artworks.
Sure. Come on. Where is your drawing? Now you tell me which one. Why did you choose this color? Which one do you like? Bas. Which cartoon do you like? Oh, batao. Come on, Vikram. Ambition, come here. Why are you shy today? You're so active all the time.
What do you like? Like Buzz Lightyear?
Oh.
Okay. What else you like? What else you like to watch?
What is your favorite color?
Why? Like red?
Red and pink.
Why not blue?
Whose favorite color is blue? You can talk, baby. No, this uncle, no.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
In the camera.
Say bye to the camera. Huh?
You want to
Yeah, I want to play. Hi, sorry to bother you again. We're making a video for YouTube. We'll ask you some questions about artworks, about you and everything. Okay.
So tell me your experience in Cubbon Paints and from how long you're coming and about your artwork.
We've been coming for about 3 to 4 months, and it's a great experience to be part of a community that's creative and so inspiring.
So you guys are hobby artists or professional artists?
We all do it as a hobby. I've studied design, but I'm now into the IT sector. I do design.
I'm visiting her in Bangalore, but I've also been coming here since the last 3 months, and it's so lovely. The lovely people around.
Yeah, who's the best
So much
person you
fun.
met at Cubbon? Come on.
Ah, that's me, yeah.
You introverts. Your turn.
My turn?
Hey, your name's first.
Tanya. I'm Tanvi.
Tanvi. Yours.
Oh, my name is Vedant. And I am Palak.
Okay. You were both experienced.
This is my first time
Oh,
visiting.
okay.
For the painting, this is my first time. Cubbon is my third time. I'm not from Bangalore.
Okay.
I'm visiting Bangalore. It is one of a kind. The experience is fun.
Okay, thank you.
Master, she's doing a YouTube video on the community. She's interviewing everyone.
2 साल से आ रही हूँ
Okay.
सच्ची हाँ करीब करीब
Okay.
और बहुत बढ़िया कम्युनिटी है बहुत बढ़िया यहाँ पर हम लोग फील करते हैं एकदम पीसफुल सबसे बढ़िया बात यहाँ पर ये है कि आप अपना अपना काम करते रहो कोई आपको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करता Sometimes.
How you find out about this Cubbon
Oh.
Paints?
This guy is responsible
Amrish.
Amrish.
Okay.
I used to sometimes I just moved to Bangalore at that time and sometimes I would go to Lal Bagh
Okay.
and do my own painting and things. There I met Amrish and he said why don't you come to Cubbon Park also
Okay.
and that's how I started.
Okay, can you show some works of yours?
This I made last night. Last Saturday. You already know we meet every Saturday.
Yes, yes. I came last Saturday. It was my first time. Oh, nice. Okay, thank you.
I'm not an
It doesn't
artist.
matter. It doesn't matter.
I'm not an artist. She taught me, and one more Miss is there, Gita Miss. She also taught me how to.
So how you find out about this Cubbon Paints?
Before, when I came to first at Bangalore, so this is the place I like the most
Okay.
in Bangalore. So I started coming. It started with reads. I didn't read also, but I saw the community reading.
Acha, reading. Okay.
Yes. So I started reading after coming to Bangalore, and then I saw the painting. Then it interested me. It's been 2 years I've been coming here.
Okay.
Really.
And your name?
Anthony.
Okay. Thank you. Hi. Your turn.
So hi, I'm Shiv Kumar and I've been coming to this community for close to 2.5 years now. So the thing I like the most about it is that, again, as she mentioned, it's more about the piece, and secondly I wanted to pick up art as a hobby. Again, I used to draw as a child quite a bit and lost track in the middle, and now I just come here and sit and go about my work, and it's been a pretty rewarding experience for me. So it helped me get through dark times as well. As for my older art, many of your fans into anime. I draw a lot of anime art. This is one more. I have some incomplete work. This is some pretty famous one. It's not anime, it's just me and my sister. I cartoonified the picture. And this is the one that I did last week from a game. And this Lex Luthor, if anyone watches Superman recently, the villain of that movie.
Okay. What's your name?
Adish.
Okay. And from how long you're coming to Cubbon Paints?
As much, I look forward to it every Saturday. Whenever I have time, I'll join.
And what is your art style?
It's mostly gouache and watercolor. So I'll show them. I'll put it down. So this is what I'm working on now. If you can see it. There's some girl who I found. And then mostly all the sketches are live.
So you're from fine art or just hobby?
No, it's just hobby.
Okay.
But I do wanted to learn fine art, but somehow couldn't. What do you do?
Hello. Hi. Your name, please? Vidit. Batao Kaban Paints. How did you get to know about Kaban Paints?
I recently shifted to Bangalore. Then I was just strolling around in Kaban Park and I saw like a bunch of people who were destroying. So I was interested. So I was been a part of urban sketches before, but this was interesting. Like just sit in the park and draw.
Tell me about your artwork. Like what inspires you to do art, and also show a bunch of your artwork, your style. Come on.
Okay. So like I was always interested in art. So I was a design student and I'm also working as a designer now. So but like a lot of things are digital and I work in the research side. So drawing is a way to like just express and I like live sketching. So just drawing humans or like people people roaming around the market or park. Yeah.
Okay, show me.
So this was thing I was just drawing right now. Then before that, this was a temple. One of the temples near Vishweshwaraya station. So I was drawing this.
Nice.
Then this was Lal Bagh. So yeah, I usually do like a lot of color pop. So like there's a Posca marker, so I usually use that.
What's the idea behind using a colored paper or even a toned paper?
Yeah, why not white sheet?
Yeah.
It just becomes interesting and the color dynamics between the color sheet and the color it changes. Like you see the same colors on a white background. This was another from the Kaban Paints only. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You really capture the people well. Thank you.
Thank you. How long you're coming to Kaban Painting?
It's been almost, by the way, my name is Preetesh Rangode and my Instagram ID is Preetesh_Rangode. And you can follow me and also follow Shivani and subscribe her YouTube channel.
Live wedding painting?
I do live wedding painting. She also does live wedding painting. मेरे भी shorts पे थोड़ा 39 million views दे दो, बढ़िया रहेगा. तो by the way मैं Kaban Park आता हूँ almost 2 साल हो गए. I'm coming here. It's like if I'm in Bangalore and every Saturday I'm free, then you can see me in Kaban Park itself. इधर आके almost this space I've painted a lot of times. लगता है कि घर है क्योंकि my home is also in this kind of space. So it's always fun here.
I can tell you the chord progression for this.
Your artwork.
क्या?
Your artwork.
You can do your full.
तो आज मैंने ये किया है, ये मेरे recent trip से है from Himachal and yeah, this is what I did. और ये भी Kaban Park का है. These are metro sketches. This is from Manali. This is I started but I didn't finish. So this sketch I did while paragliding. ये ब्यास कुंड है जो ट्रैक के इधर था. This is Lady Lake Base Camp. ये हमारा टेंट था. And this is अंजनी महादेव टेम्पल. और ये जो लोग थे जो ट्रैक पे थे. This is the bus which I went to Himachal with. ये ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए रुका था. ये दिल्ली का बस स्टॉप है और ये फ्लाइट है जिससे मैं दिल्ली गया था. थैंक यू.
I don't.
नहीं मैं तो नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन है.
Yeah, it will be. You start with the oil sticks. Give no oil sticks. That will be nice. You'll get it faster.
Yeah, hi everyone. I am Amir. So I've come across this Kaban Paints Instagram page, and I've seen like people kind of come together every weekend. But I've never really found time to like come regularly here. But yeah, I would like to like join your event.
You all are hobby artists.
Yeah, I'm more of a hobby artist.
Yeah, your name.
I'm Smriti. And I got to know about Cubbon Paints by Instagram. I was bored on weekends, so I thought let me at least do something. I don't have a particular art style, but I enjoy cartooning more. And I do draw a little bit of nature artwork as well. Yeah, I like doing pattern work. It's just fun to mindlessly fill stuff. This is the recent one I did. I like drawing nature sceneries.
Which medium do you use?
This is gouache.
Gouache.
Because I like the way acrylic works, but it's not as good as watercolor, and I'm not that good at watercolors. So gouache is the best medium for me.
Beautiful.
What I did today. It's not that good, but something.
You want to say anything?
I'm not a big painter, so
Your name?
My name is Mokshita. First time.
Okay.
Came with my friends.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Karishma. I'm in Karishma Mohanda. This is my second
What
day
do you think,
here,
Master? Now
and I got to know about Cubbon Paints from Sindhu. She is our intern in my office.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi, my name is Sindhu, and I got to know Cubbon Paints through Ritesh and both. So yeah, it's my second time here. It's really fun.
Can you show your artworks? Hey, it's his.
It's the same. She painted that side, I painted.
Oh, nice. Okay, thank you.
He's making a video for YouTube.
Oh. So I'm here for your interviews. How long you're coming and your experience about this?
2 years, no, around? Yeah, we've been coming here from around 2 years. Yeah. She's been there like since when it started. That month only she OG member.
Okay, old one.
But today we are doing crochet.
Can you show me your works?
Nimisha, what inspires you to do artwork?
Oh God. That's a hard question.
Like this.
When did you start?
Then put it like this. Randomly started drawing. Even.
So, which medium are you like? Do you really like? Yeah, do you really like?
I'm just experimenting like this.
Yeah.
So I like.
She is a hobby artist.
Yes, she's a hobby artist. She's also a dancer.
Yeah, I'm a classical dancer.
Oh, nice. I'm also a dancer. Hobby dancer.
So yeah, like just randomly.
Like this, right? Yeah. Yeah. Yarn over full.
Hobby and then continuing the hobby till now is.
You get it?
And Cubbon Paints is helping.
Does it look like this?
Thank you.
I'm scared.
Your name?
I'm Anushka.
So how you got to know about Cubbon Paints?
Through Instagram, I saw a reel.
From how long you're coming?
Very like 1 year, 2 years.
Can you show me your artworks? Oh, nice. So you're an artist student or?
I am a working artist.
Okay, BFA.
No, I work in Guild.
Oh.
She's actually a full-time artist.
Okay.
Yeah. Concept
Nice,
art.
nice. Beautiful. Thank you.
She is also an artist. Shreya,
Hi.
your name.
Your turn.
I am Shreya Arikat.
From how long you're coming?
Since a year and a half. She introduced me to Cubbon Park. She's my friend from Pune.
Okay. And show me some of your artworks.
I actually don't have a lot here. These are some pencil sketches I did. Random sketches. Live painting, like sketching. And one jump scare, another jump scare.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Introduce yourself. and also about Kaban Paints. How did you get to know?
Okay, so hi, I'm Jay, and I'm a concept artist. So I've been doing this professionally for a while, and I've been in Bangalore for almost like 3 years now. So I got some free time, and I figured like I should touch grass, see people in the community, and also I kind of started like maybe 4 weeks back.
4 weeks.
Yeah. So I'm only 4 weeks into Kaban Paints. Met a lot of amazing people, and it's like really fun. You can socialize stuff, and you can work more on your personal projects in the outdoors, and like literally touch grass, as I mentioned. And so I'm doing my own company sort of thing. So I'm working 24/7. So it's very annoying. So you need an outlet, and I rarely get to work on any personal projects. So that's kind of why I'm here. So doing a few stuff like that, and doing comics, and doing illustrations in general, and anything that's not work, I'm trying to do here or like on the weekends. So yeah, that's basically.
Can you show your works?
4 weeks in, he already inspired a lot of artists here. His work is amazing.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, you do digital?
Yeah, so everything I do is on an iPad. So this is a comic that I'm working on. I haven't published it yet. I did publish one of them on Webtoon, so this is something that I already published. So this is something I did 3 years ago, so I figured I'd just put it out there, then work on the rest. And yeah, so illustrations, digital, character design. So these are all like comics, and it's in a manga format. So I'm working on this one right now. So I was just doodling today. I'll show it. I was just doodling stuff today. So just normal illustrations, and this is a page that I'm working on for the next week. So I started it last week here. Continued this week today.
This comic is your personal project.
Yes.
And all the other things which you do are for your company which you're working
No,
for.
like everything I post is personal. Because like the company stuff, I can't really put it out there because of NDAs and stuff. So mostly I'm kind of working like how do you say? I'm a company itself who does like the.
How do you balance your work and also your hobby? So both are art. Okay, for someone who has a different job, right? Doctor or an engineer, art is kind of an escape for him. Okay, from the hassle which he has in life. How do you manage both? Like your job is art. How do you manage?
I do get that a lot. So people assume that because like it's I'm working as an artist, it's fun. It's not. It's very tiring. It's like the way I see it, like every time there's a paycheck attached to something you have to do, it immediately becomes less artistic. And there's a lot of input from other people. Like plan work is like it's work. After that, it's always work. You keep it professional, you get it done, and it's less about passion. And some people enjoy the work. I do have a few projects that I really enjoy. Like one of them is a gaming project. I'm doing the whole art direction for a friend's studio. So I have a lot of say in it as well. So we're like collaborating on it. That's fun. But 90% of the time it's like trapped like NFTs or like it's going to be like design jobs. Design is more what we call, it has rules and regulations. So it's a job like any other, and that's why I try to make it a point to do more personal work. So like every day, and I work from home. So like the office is also where I like rest up and do personal work. So it's kind of hard to like separate the energy output. Like you enjoy when you do the job. That's the thing. But I still think that it's a lot of energy, and you make sure you have other outlets other than just the drawing aspect of it.
That's why outdoors. That's why Kaban Paints.
That's why Kaban Paints. That's why I started cooking a lot recently. So that's also fun. And yeah, I generally go out with friends. That also helps. Just be out and about.
It was amazing, bro. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
पूरा नाम बताओ.
Manatpreet Singh. I am from Punjab. Thank you for the community diversity. Around 1.5, 2 years. Yeah, from here. Like I've been on and off, but it's fun.
So you're a hobby artist or professional?
Hobby artist.
दिखाओ काम दिखाओ.
Yeah, sure.
अरे पकड़ो. मैं खोलता हूँ. क्या करते हो? मतलब डिजिटल आर्ट करते हो या फिर ट्रेडिशनल?
पहले मैं ट्रेडिशनल करता था, फिर बैंगलोर में आके सिखाया कि
ट्रेडिशनल कर रहा है.
आई एम फ्रॉम पंजाब पटियाला. हाँ जी, पहले मैं ट्रेडिशनल आर्ट करता था, फिर बैंगलोर में सिचुएशन
Wow.
The one I like the
Whoa.
most.
Whoa.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
So you have done fine arts?
No.
दिखाओ जरा.
This
Whoa. This is from?
from me.
नहीं. From where the still is from?
There's
Which
one
movie?
Can you guess?
अरे ये तो देखा देखा लग रहा
हाँ.
है. हाँ वही. अरे वो अमेरिकन साइको वाला क्रिश्चियन बेल.
Yes, yes, yes.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. बहुत अच्छा.
पहचान आ गई. That is
पहचाना
good
कि
enough.
बहुत अच्छा आर्ट बनाया फिर. I actually love the lighting.
हाँ,
of
ये
this.
मैं लाइटिंग
हाँ,
सीखने के लिए बना
वही,
रहा
वही.
था कि I want to learn how
The
to have
backlight
lighting.
is red and also the highlights are yellow. I love it. And also the shadows are blue. Like if you see, it's just blue shadows. Like that's amazing. Like how you got the proper.
Thank you, thank you. If you are appreciating my art, I'll take that as a very big compliment,
अरे भाई,
sir.
नहीं. ठीक है.
That's it. Yes. You know.
हाँ,
Okay, then that's
okay.
it.
Hi.
Hello, hi. I am Manoj Vijay Kumar. People call me NVK here because there is another Manoj. It's a big story. Okay, so I came to Cubbon Paints maybe at the end or the start of 2024, at the end of 2023. I've been a part of this community for almost 2 years now. And also, I love this. I made another team, like we are doing children illustrations work through community. Okay? The people, the guy who you just met, the introverted guy, okay, he's my friend, and we actually produce illustration works. We do a lot of projects together. I'm blessed to find this community.
You're a full-time artist.
No, I'm not a full-time artist. I'm a software engineer. Fortunately, I'm not unfortunate about it. I love my work. I love art too. I am balancing both the things together now, which is pretty good. Being good at art and also at engineering both. I love it. Yeah, it's been a while and I love it. Also met Vandana here in Cubbon Paints. She's also a wonderful artist. Yeah, we made an event recently, a second year anniversary event. We also painted 100-feet canvas. There were at least 200 artists who displayed their artwork. It was a free event for the community artists. I was a part of that event, also the design group. There is another designer who will be coming soon, Rohit. You have to interview him. That guy is pretty good. He designed everything.
Okay.
And also for the 100-feet canvas, there's another artist, Shruti, who designed most of the things. Okay. If you find any images, you can like add the 100-feet canvas thing. That would be pretty good.
Okay.
Thank you. Enjoyed today.
Yes.
And thanks to our creator from YouTube. Hi.
Hi.
Everybody say hi to her.
Hello.
It was amazing interviewing you all. It was a great experience. Hope you also enjoyed. Okay, who's here for the first time? Now you're gonna speak about it. You raised your hand. Okay, tell about your experience. How was it?
It was different. No one was bothering me. I was doing my own thing.
We have an English artist also. Say hi to Vikram Deva. Vikram, say hi. Yeah, the toy also is here. Okay, so we're gonna take a photo from this side, okay? On this side of the tree. Not everybody, from this side.